Kering noria ni murugamiriri wadi niatungetio igutha thutha wa igooti ukorwo guteaniria Wamurani waake kiamaini kia jubilee.Kwirikaniite hiingo ya Wamurani uyu Kering ari kiamaini kia odm.Mucirithania uyu Francis gikonyo ni uheaniite dumiriri ino guuku akiuga ati darumiririe mutaratara wa wandikithia wa ciama.Oho niendekithetie mundu gwitwo Josephine torome akorwo akioya ithenya riu ria Kering.
We were in the trial court. The trial court decided in favor of Josephine Torome to the extent that one, Alice Kering was never and has never been a member of the Jubilee Party, as at the time when the nomination party list was submitted to IBC.
Yes.
Number two, the court found that it was wrong for the Jubilee Party to purport to nominate somebody else outside Narok County who was neither a voter within Narok County nor a resident of Narok County. And this jurisprudence has been developed now so that all political parties in future must nominate their members in the nomination list from the residents of that particular county, to reflect the spirit of the Constitution on devolution and the creation of the county assemblies. Number three, that the appellant in this case had not notified the registrar of political party that she had resigned from ODM, where she had previously been nominated to serve in the county assembly of Nakuru. And therefore, she basically just presented a letter that I have notified the ODM that I have resigned. The court said that a member who resigns from one political party and joins another must notify the registrar of political parties. She never did it. And therefore, effectively, she was never and she has not been a member of Jubilee Party. And that was the finding of the court.
Kitu ya kwanza, nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu ya umbali huu ametutoa. Ninasema ni asante. Kitu ya pili, ninarudisha shukurani zangu kwa wakili wangu ambaye ni Martin Orpoya. Amepigana kabisa na Mungu akamwezesha. Ninasema ni asante kwa vile ameonyeshana hata uchupavu wake na amefanya awezavyo hadi tukaweza kuwini hii kesi. Ninaambia Mungu ni asante na amuzidishie neema.